Today is our last day at the Emirates Orthopedic Society meeting. We had wonderful 2 sessions. The first session was on knee arthroplasty and innovation in technology and robotics. In the afternoon, we discussed all the latest on sports injuries in lower extremity. Both sessions were well attended. Today is our last day. I would like to thank all the faculty who traveled to be with us, all the participants who traveled through the Emirates to join us here in Dubai. I would like to thank all the industry who joined and supported us to run this event in this great venue. I would like to invite you all next year, please, to come and join us in Abu Dhabi. The meeting is going to be for the first time in Abu Dhabi, and you will see a lot in Abu Dhabi. We got the Louvre, the Ferrari World, a lot of events, and we really look forward. We're going to make our best to give the best program for you guys to attend. Look forward to seeing you next year. Look after yourself.